Today, I'm taking you to one of the most unusual places in Fuerteventura, Popcorn Beach, officially known as Playa del Bajo de la Burra, located near Corralejo in the north of the island. At first glance, it may look like a typical wild Atlantic beach with turquoise water, volcanic rocks, and a quiet coastline shaped by wind and waves. But as you walk closer to the shore, you start to notice something extraordinary. The entire beach is covered with what looks exactly like scattered popcorn. Thousands of small white pieces spread across the ground as if someone spilled giant bags of it along the ocean. But this is not sand, and it's definitely not food. These formations are fossilized calcareous algae, known as rhodoliths. They form naturally on the seabed over many years. As they grow, layer by layer, they develop rounded shapes. Eventually, the Atlantic waves break them loose and carry them to the shore. Over time, wind, salt water, and constant movement polish them into the porous, popped shapes that give this beach its famous name. What makes this place even more striking is the contrast. The bright white stones lie against black volcanic rock, with deep blue oceans stretching toward the horizon. On a sunny day, the white formations glow almost brilliantly under the Canary Islands light. During golden hour, warm sunlight enhances every texture, creating a dramatic and almost surreal landscape. Popcorn Beach is not the most comfortable spot for swimming. The entrance to the water is rocky, and the Atlantic here can be powerful and unpredictable. This is a place better suited for walking, exploring, and simply observing nature's creativity. It's peaceful, raw, and authentic, shaped entirely by natural forces. It's important to remember that despite how tempting they may look, these popcorn stones are protected. Removing them is prohibited, as this unique landscape would slowly disappear if every visitor took a handful home. The best souvenir from this beach is a photograph, and the memory of standing in a place that feels almost unreal. Popcorn Beach perfectly represents the character of Fuerteventura: volcanic, windy, minimalistic, and dramatically beautiful. There are no large resorts dominating the view, no crowded promenades, just the Atlantic Ocean, the sound of waves, and a coastline that has been forming for thousands of years. If you're looking for something different from the usual sandy beaches, this hidden corner near Corralejo is truly worth visiting. It's one of those rare natural wonders that reminds you how surprising and creative our planet can be.